Hi, how to create your own business cards or flyers. So basically you want to end up your source image multiple times across the page. Now first you need the source image, which can be various file formats. It can be like an image or a Word document or a PDF. Now you need to install PDF Imposition Desktop Edition, which is in the description of this video, the link for it. There's a free trial version you can try out. So first you need your image, and then you drag and drop it in to software. You can view it as well. Click view, and that is the example image that I'm going to use. So now you put in the output file name, which is going to be it's a PDF file. Where it creates, then you can later print that out or send it off, and then you select the processing type. So in this case I want it 12 up. So I'm going to do 4 across and 3 down. You can change that to whatever you want. So say if you've got 5 by 2, then it will put it like that. In this case I'm going to do 4 by 3. Now you need to click duplicate each page. So what it will do, it will take the one page image and it will end up it 4 by 3 on one page. So now click Impose, and I can view the output. So you can see the test PDF output here has been end up 4 across and 3 down. And it's that simple really. There's more options for adding margins and things like that. But this is just a simple example video. Download it and give it a try.